Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video we will see how we can view our drawings in uh, Google Map. Okay, so we have here I have installed Google Earth Pro, which is now free. You can just go ahead and Google search in Google for Google Earth Pro download, and you can download and install. So things that you need first is one is Google Earth Pro install, and then you need a drawing that you have coordinates. Okay, and the geolocation is turned on. Okay, so let me quickly show you. We hit the command edit drawing settings and click on it, and here I have already chosen my zone. Okay, so as depending upon your coordinates you can choose your zone. Okay, so auto register and the coordinate system is shown here and it's correct. Okay, so that's it, and we hit OK. Now, the drawing I have here is just basic one, and it's in one block. Okay, so maybe you have a drawing in like multiple elements are there, and for this drawing, everything is a block. Okay, so no problem. Let's see how we can see it here. It's actually somewhere here. Okay, so let's see how we can bring it and visualize it and see how actually it's on the site. Okay, so for that, Autodesk Civil 3D offers very good command, like very easy method. Earlier, if you are familiar with this, then we used to use ellipse and then do it. But Civil 3D has a tool for it. So let's go ahead and check how we can do it. So go to your tool space, and here on the toolbox tab you go on, and here you have a option under miscellaneous. If you open it under miscellaneous, we have this export KML option. Okay, so you just right click on it and then select execute, and here you can name whatever you want, and then you provide description or hyperlinks, whatever you want. Okay, then go to next, and here either you select all objects, or better you select selected objects, and then you can pick and choose what you want. Okay, so for this case I want everything. Okay, it's just one block. I'll say hit enter. Okay, now you have options to choose export materials, export object information, export text. For now, let's not export materials, and export object information and object text. I want to see how this text appear. Let's see if there is an error. We will fix how we can fix this text also. Okay, how to visualize text, because there are some errors when you use certain text and another text. So let's see if we will be able to solve that. Get next. So how we can solve it, we will see here, and get next. And okay, the coordinate system is there, or you can define it here to transform. Okay, next. And here you can put an elevation relative to ground, or elevation relative to sea level, or drape objects on the ground. For this case, I would, for better, I drape objects on ground. So let's say I go next, and then you choose the location where you want to save it, and put a name that we already put, and type in your name. Then we say save. Okay, and it will ask to replace. You see, here we have KMZ also and KML format also, so you can save both. So KMZ will be a bit smaller in size, while KML will be larger. Okay, so I have here already saved, so I will just replace it. Okay, and then define the location like this, and then we have the last option, we say export. And once it is exported, it will ask you to view. Make sure you have Google Earth installed. So then Google Earth Pro install, and then we just say view, and it will load. You see it loaded, and zoom back to the zoom zoom out. Okay, so how to go exactly that place? Just open this one, and then click any of these block reference or model. It will directly zoom to that particular location. You can actually capture this and create a very fantastic visualization of it. Okay, you see slowly it loads. Okay, Now I wanna, okay, so let's zoom in a little bit. Okay, so this is pretty cool and it's actually almost accurate. But the text, you see, we had some text here, okay, and the way it is appearing is actually like it's like floating. If you rotate it in 3D view, you see it's like floating in the air. But what I want is the text to be draped on the ground the way the drawing is actually stays that location, so so that it's easy for me. So for that, what you're gonna do is, let's see how we're gonna do. So go to your drawing. Okay, we are in the drawing. For that, I will create another text. The text, we are here, so we have to actually explode this. So let's not explode this. We create another text. So I will show you how you can actually put the text and drape it on the map. Okay. So let's and remember this thing. For There are certain types of text only, the fonts that you can use for this purpose. Other fonts you cannot. Okay. Let me check. Let me check here on annotate tab which text we have here. As a standard, we have a simple text. Okay, this one will work. Okay, so this one works. Okay, let's go ahead and type a text. Text. Sorry, text. Okay, hit enter, and I will just write something like okay, write motorway M3. Okay, cool. Okay, it's very small, so let me make it larger. So we go to properties, and then we go this one, make it like maybe 25. Okay, very good. Okay, and then maybe I will change the color also. It's black right now, so let's make it maybe another color. I will maybe put it in red. Okay, let me put it red. Okay, good. And wherever you want to put it, just let me put it here, maybe rotate it by 90 degree, and it was here. So you will see the difference. Okay. Okay. Okay, this being in place, now you have to explode the text. If you just select the text and normally explode, it won't explode. Okay, so for that you have to just select the text and go to your express tools, and here you have an option in the text pane, like modify text, and here you have option to explode text. Okay, so you just and this will, what it will do is explode text and convert it into polylines. Okay, then we will be able to visualize it properly. Okay, so we just hit on explode, and now you see the text is exploded into uh, multiple polylines. Okay, but if you try this with other text like the other fonts like the Times New Roman, it will not work properly because it will be, like as you see it, each one outer boundary will have a line, and it's not actually good, and it will, when you change it into, when you export it to Google Earth, it won't appear good. Okay, so let's try this now. Now, again, we go to the tool space and go to the toolbox, and here into export KML, execute, and then again same things. I select then I will select this. After being selected this, I will select all the text that I want to display as this is right now as polyline. Okay, hit enter. Okay, I will just, okay, keep it so that we compare it. Okay, so we have here M3 written and this one here. Especially when you are, displaying changes, this idea is very useful. Okay, so now go to next, and we keep it everything same. Okay, drape on objects. Okay, same, and then we replace this. Yes, very good. Now what you're gonna do is view. Okay, and open it, and this will ask to replace. Okay, replace, no problem, and let it load. And once it loads, it zooms out again. So we have to again click this and go to that location. You see these polylines here are the text, for the text. Okay, that particular text. Now you see here, let me zoom in a little, oh sorry, zoom in a little bit. Okay, now here you see this M3. the same thing was written. Now it is floating around. Okay, this is floating around, but the motorway M3 that we wrote, the text that we wrote just stays in place. Okay, and is direct on ground. So this way, especially for displaying chain edges, this is very good because you can actually use this even on your phone. Let me show you something. Okay, so now right now it's in under temporary places. This you can even add to my places. Okay, so if you just click on your file, this KMZ file that we exported for Google Earth Pro, and right click, then you can save it to my places. Okay, okay, and then it will appear under the my places and it will just remain there. Okay, another thing, you can just email this file and you can even check the properties, you can add other things. But most important part is, like, you can, what you can do is this one even, uh, save place as, and what you can do is save this as KML. Okay, KML, and then you can view on Google Earth also, okay, on your phone. So I will show you, I will record that in my I will just first save this and record that in my phone to show you how we can view it. Okay, so once it is in KML, we say save. Okay, it's saved as KML. Very good. Thanks for watching the video. Like, share, subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.